Name and your school.
Anthony Matias, and I'm from Godwin.
Nathaniel Calderon, and I'm from North Godwin Middle School.
My name is Jaden Toledo, and I'm from Godwin Middle School.
All right. What's your project? What are you teaching us?
So what we want to teach you is that, like with the garlic mustard, it's very bad, and you have to eventually rip it out because it does very bad to the environment.
How did this come together?
So on the poster, we printed out pictures of what we did in the project, and then we glued them onto the project, and then yeah.
What'd you learn from this?
What we learn is how we are able to impact the environment through our actions.
The chips and dip your project?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.